Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to turn off Google Smart Lock can be useful if you want to disable automatic sign-ins, remove safe password, or enhance security by requiring manual entry of credentials. Additionally, turning off Smart Lock may be necessary if you encounter any issues related to automatic sign-ins, or if you no longer want certain devices to have access to your credentials. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, go ahead and open Settings menu. Well, next you can enter to the password and security option. After that, scroll down and select Advanced options here. Okay, so now tap on Trust Agents and turn this toggle off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.